Hello, my name is Jason Rancho, and I'm the Regional Manager Interior for JA British Columbia. Last year, we started the process of moving our registrations and enrollment online. And this coming year, we wish to give an even easier access to enroll your classes for a JA program. Because our enrollment process is instant and online, you will be required to register an account. We've made this video to help you get started. First, we'll go to our website, jabc.ca. and hover over Get Involved and select Enroll Your Class. If you want to know what program might work best for your students, or if you're still unsure, you can click the Programs page link and it will take you to another page on our website that has a whole plethora of information about all of our programs that are currently being offered at each grade level. Or if you know what program you're looking for, and want to enroll your class right away, you can skip directly to enrolling your class. If you're new and you have never registered online with us, you'll need to add yourself as a new user. Click the corresponding link and it will take you to the new user registration page. Once on the page, under the login information, you will see a link that says New User Registration. Click that and you will be taken to the new Educator user registration form. Please fill this out completely and click Submit. You will then be taken to Step 2, New Educator Registration. This form asks for more information regarding your school and the programs you're interested in. Please fill this out completely and click Submit. You should see a confirmation page and receive a confirmation email. Once our team has processed your educator registration, we will send a follow-up email inviting you to enroll your classes. Please note, you will not be able to enroll your class until we've processed your educator registration. Please allow 1 to 3 business days to receive that follow-up email. Be sure to bookmark the web address for easy future reference and registering more classes. jabc.ca-community.org. If you're having trouble with the site, please email us at info@jabc.org, and we'll do our best to help you. To view the next process on how to register your class, please watch our next video called How to Enroll Your Class Online. Thank you for stopping by. I hope you found this tutorial helpful.